So I'm finally home. I've been gone for 3 days. Been at the hospital. Shit. I almost forgot what key. Let's see what Grizzly. Grizzly! Hey! What's up, buddy? What's going on? You miss me? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What? What? Is that the first thing you do? Is scratch up the couch? What's up? What's up? What's up? Come on, get up here. What the? What's your rampage with the sofa? Hey, hey, kissy, kissy. Mm-hmm. Oh, good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, you purring. Good boy, good boy. You purring. What's up? How was your days, huh? Huh? Yeah, I know you wouldn't kiss me. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Everybody's looking. You little purr baby. It's okay. I'm back home. I'm back home. I'm back home. So what's up? Oh, hell no. I just got those headphones. Fuck no. That does not mean I'm back for you to destroy stuff. Oh, now I'm destroying it myself. I'll get it later. Come on, let's go. Let's check out the supplies you have. Why do you do that? Why do you do that? Did you try to open your own can of food and throw it over there? Mister, I know how to do everything. Shit. You dumped all your water sources? I gotta check your emergency water source. I know you didn't dump that. You must be nuts. Out of your medulla oblongata. Ah, damn. I can't see shit. Alright. Oh, you do have a water source. You just knocked down all those waters just to make me all worried. Weirdo. Had water the whole time. Look at that, everybody. Stinky baby over here. Sorry about that. That's my clean clothes. I don't like to fold. Screw it. Alright, see you guys. This little cutie patootie wants to spend some time after 3 days. Peace.